Transform your website in a day with an SEO audit. But what exactly is an SEO audit? Think of it like a health checkup for your website. It examines how well your site is set up to appear in search engine results. There are 4 core components of an SEO website audit. Number 1, technical audit. Imagine your website is a car. The technical audit ensures all parts are working smoothly and efficiently. Review your site's loading speed, mobile friendliness, and make sure it's on a secure connection with a SSL certificate. Confirm proper schema markup setup. Check for crawl errors, broken links, and proper use of the robots.txt file. Make sure the XML sitemap is set up and submitted to Google Search Console. Address anything slowing down your site like render blocking resources or excessive page size. Number 2, on-page SEO audit. Ensure that each page has a unique title tag and meta description that entices users to click on your article, but also includes the main keyword. Check to make sure heading tags are set up in a logical hierarchy. Is all your content high quality and relevant to the searcher's intent? Are you linking related pages together? Checking for duplicate content issues within the site and across the web. Number 3, off-page SEO audit. Think of off-page SEO like your website's reputation in the online community. It's about who's talking about you and where you're mentioned. Looking at things like backlink quality, quantity and acquisition rate, number of referring domains. Look at your online reviews. Make sure your website is added to local listing sites, Google My Business profile, and evaluate your presence and engagement level on social media platforms. Number 4, user experience. It's all about making your visitor's journey through your website as smooth and enjoyable as possible. A better user experience is more likely to earn higher rankings in search engines. Improve things like mobile responsiveness, navigation. Make sure clickable elements are large enough. Checking for excessive layout shifts, and look at improving metrics like bounce rate. This diagnostic procedure is crucial for identifying actionable strategies to improve a website's health, enhance user experience, and ultimately, to boost its ranking in search. Have you ever wondered why some websites rank higher than others on search engines? For more SEO tips, go to www.seodictionary.wiki. Download our SEO Dictionary plugin today to boost your SEO potential and become a topical authority by covering industry-related terms and topics in depth. If you need help with your SEO, feel free to contact us on our website.